In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to organize work and personal passwords separately so you can easily access them without compromising security. If you've ever struggled with keeping your passwords secure and organized, you're in the right place. I've tried many popular password management tools, and I'll share my top pick at the end of the video along with an exclusive free trial for viewers of this channel. Stick around to the end, you'll want to see it. First, let's dive into why separating work and personal passwords is essential. Mixing them can lead to security risks, confusion, and even worse, potential breaches. If your personal password manager is compromised, your work passwords could be exposed too. That's why you need a clear strategy for organizing them separately. One of the best ways to do this is by using two separate password managers, one for personal use and another for work-related accounts. This allows you to categorize passwords and makes it easier to manage. Choose a password manager that lets you create separate vaults for different categories, one for work and one for personal accounts. This way, you don't have to worry about accidentally mixing up your personal passwords with work-related ones. You can also use labels or tags within a single password manager to keep everything organized. Make sure the software you use has a clear way of categorizing passwords into work and personal groups, so you can easily distinguish between the two. Now, if you don't want to deal with multiple password managers, an alternative is creating distinct profiles or sections within the software. For example, some password managers let you create different user profiles, so you can keep your work passwords completely separate from your personal ones while still using a single tool. You'll want to make sure the software allows you to lock these profiles with strong master passwords. Next, let's talk about password generation and storage. Use strong, unique passwords for each account and avoid reusing the same password across work and personal accounts. This is where your password manager can really save you time, generating and storing secure passwords automatically. A good password manager can even sync across devices, making sure your passwords are accessible anywhere, but still secure. When it comes to work accounts, be sure to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, wherever possible. This adds an extra layer of protection, especially if your work passwords are accessed remotely or on shared networks. Personal accounts should also be protected with 2FA, but it's especially critical for work-related accounts to ensure your company's data remains secure. One final tip: regularly review and update your passwords. It's easy to forget about older accounts, so scheduling periodic checks can help ensure everything stays secure. Password managers typically offer an audit feature that will alert you if your passwords are weak or reused, so be sure to take advantage of that. The key takeaway from this video is keep your work and personal passwords organized separately to avoid confusion and improve security. Use password managers to categorize, tag, and protect your passwords. And don't forget to enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. Regularly audit your passwords to make sure everything is still secure. To wrap things up, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial of the password manager we've been using today. You can find the link in the description below. It's a great way to follow along and get started on organizing your passwords the right way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that link in the description for your free trial.